In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you work with notes that include code, getting them to look clean and readable in Obsidian makes a big difference. I'll walk you through using inline code, full code blocks, enabling syntax highlighting, and a quick shortcut to convert pasted code into a block. First, inline code is perfect for short snippets, commands, or single expressions inside a sentence. To add inline code, type a single backtick, then your code, then another single backtick. The backtick is the small character usually on the same key as the tilde near the escape key. For example, you might say, type print open parenthesis, quote, hello world, quote, close parenthesis, wrapped in single backticks. Inline code keeps your text compact while making the code stand out. When you need to show several lines, switch to a code block. Create one by starting a new line, then typing 3 backticks in a row. Press Enter, paste, or write your code on the lines below, and when you're done, add another line with 3 backticks to close the block. Don't add spaces between the backticks, and be sure they're the backtick character, not an apostrophe. Closing the block brings you back to normal text. Obsidian can automatically color and format your code when you tell it what language you're using. To enable syntax highlighting, add the language name immediately after the opening 3 backticks, with no extra spaces. For example, type 3 backticks followed by the word Python, then your code, then close with 3 backticks. You can use common language tags like JS, HTML, CSS, or Bash. The moment you specify the language, Obsidian applies highlighting to improve readability and spot errors faster. If your code is already in your clipboard or written in the note, there's an even faster way. Paste the code, highlight the lines you want to format, then press Ctrl or Command plus Shift, plus the backtick key. Obsidian wraps the selection in a code block instantly. This is especially handy for long snippets. After it converts the block, you can click at the start of the block and add a language name right after the opening backticks to turn on syntax highlighting. To recap, use single backticks for short inline code, 3 backticks for full blocks, add the language name for syntax highlighting, and use the Control or Command plus Shift plus backtick shortcut to convert existing text into a code block. Practice these a couple of times, and formatting code in Obsidian will feel effortless